Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today's episode is about how to make chicken salad supreme, and this takes chicken salad to a whole new level. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so let's get right to making this. Using a large pot, add some hot water and some sliced onions. Throw in a bit of celery stalks and leaves. Then sprinkle in a few peppercorns. The amount of these ingredients don't have to be exactly precise because this is just to cook your chicken in. So here we're using 2 medium-sized chicken breasts. Go ahead and slice it in half lengthwise. Then place these pieces in the water with the celery, onions, and peppercorns. Using a little bit smaller pieces like this will help it to cook through better. Make sure to sprinkle it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then go ahead and place the lid back on the pot and bring your water to a rolling boil. Then turn your heat down so that it will simmer, and once it's simmering, you cook it for about 20 minutes. Then drain your chicken in a colander and remove the celery, onions, and peppercorns. The flavor of these will already have soaked into the chicken a little bit while it was cooking. So we've got ready a few prime ingredients here that we're going to be using, but we'll move forward with chopping the chicken first, and then we'll put all this together. Now I'm going to go ahead here and chop the chicken into smaller cubes. This will allow it to mix well with the rest of the ingredients. Then take the chicken cubes and place them in a large mixing bowl. Now here comes the exciting part, the deluxe ingredients that make this so supreme. Alright, so here it goes. Start by washing and cutting each grape into 4 pieces. Use whatever grapes you have on hand, but preferably seedless ones. Then add a generous cup of the prepared grapes to the mixing bowl. Wash and prepare about a half a cup of chopped celery and add that to the mixing bowl. Chop a half cup of sweet red onion and add that to your bowl. Then get out a frying pan and melt some butter and add some pecans to this and roast them. Stir them frequently and it only takes a few minutes, then drain them on a paper towel, put them on a cutting mat, chop them into finer pieces. Add 1 cup of roasted pecans to your mixing bowl. This is going to be so good. Next, add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now then half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It's nice if you can use real mayonnaise. So next, add about a half a cup of this. And it gets even more interesting. Add about a 1/4 cup of cream cheese. And just when you think we're just about done, no, we need 3/4 cup of dried cranberries still. What do you think? Looking pretty exciting. So you take a large spoon, mix this all together until it's really well combined. Then it's time for a taste test. This is one of those recipes where you have to decide for yourself if it needs a little more of something. So I added a couple more tablespoons of mayonnaise. And this made it just about the right consistency. So let's go ahead and make a sandwich. I use a crescent. Cut it in half, butter it nicely, and I load it up with a nice generous amount of the chicken salad. And I enjoy it this way, but you can put it on breads of any sort. It is so good. What a delicious sandwich. It is absolutely supreme indeed. You can serve it with grapes on the side, or potato chips, or whatever it is that you like. And you can store the rest of this chicken salad in a container with a lid in the fridge for 2 or 3 days easily. So you can make it up ahead a little bit. So what do you think? Would you like to have a sandwich like this? It's so easy to make and so delicious. Go ahead, give it a try. Let me know your comments, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you next time.